Do you face water cuts in summer? Do you need to order water tankers on a daily basis? Today, it is absolutely essential that we save each and every drop of water. For this purpose, we have created the Water app, especially for residential buildings and housing societies. Water app shows you all important water information on your phone. For example, you can see the volume of water received, used, and available each day. It also shows you critical information such as how much is available in the lower and the upper tanks right now and when was it last pumped. What are the benefits of Water app for residential buildings and housing societies? Number 1. Members can see the status of all water tanks at a glance. They can make sure that there is enough water in the fire tank at all times. Number 2. They can keep an eye on the water levels from anywhere. For example, if they are coming home from a long trip, they can check beforehand from the airport itself if they have sufficient water in the bathrooms and the kitchen. Number 3. If water level is critically low or close to overflowing, they receive an alert on their phone based on which they can take immediate action. Number 4. If they have a borewell, they are able to see how much water is available in the borewell and how long does it take for the bore water to recover after pumping. Number 5. If there is a need to order tankers, Water app helps them to make clear and accurate decisions for how many tankers to order and when to order them. And after receiving the water, they can instantly see on their phone how much was received and the level in the tank right now. Number 6. Water app helps to avoid all water-related conflicts in housing societies. You can present clear, objective data on how much water was pumped for each tower and how much was used. If there is water scarcity, you can limit the volume of water pumped to each tower so that everyone receives equal water. Number 7. Typically, every society has a caretaker for water who is probably the only person who knows everything about the society's tanks and pumps. With Water app, this data can now be seen on everyone's phone. Water app helps to reduce dependence on a particular staff member and gives flexibility to both the society and the staff member. What are the benefits of Water app for the society manager and the staff members? Water app helps to free up a big chunk of the staff members' time. They are able to see the tank levels from anywhere, and as soon as they receive an alert, they can go and switch the pump on or off. Secondly, sometimes due to power fluctuations, the automatic pumping system fails to switch on and water does not get pumped to the upper tanks. The staff member can check Water app regularly and ensure uninterrupted water supply to all members in all conditions. Thirdly, even if the particular staff member who is in charge of water goes on vacation, the rest of the staff can manage the water situation smoothly using Water app. How does Water app work? Water app consists of 3 parts. 1. IoT-based water level sensors which are inserted in your tanks and bore wells. 2. Water cloud gateways which send your water level data into the cloud. And 3. A simple app which can be used by people without any formal education also. Let us hear what our customers have to say about Water app.
मी बानेरमध्ये कपिल ट्रँक्विल ग्रीन सोसायटीमध्ये मॅनेजर आहे. आम्ही इथे 2 विंग आहेत, ए विंग आणि बी विंग. 60 फ्लॅट्स आहेत. तिकडे आपण वॉटर ॲपचा यूज करतो. बऱ्याचदा आम्ही इकडे माणूसही ठेवलेला आहे जे पाण्यासाठी. इकडे ऑटोमेशनही आहे, पण बऱ्याचदा ऑटोमेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम होतो. कधी कधी ते बंद होतं व्होल्टेजमुळे, कधी चालू असतं. पण वॉटर ॲपमुळे खूप त्याचा फायदा होतो. बऱ्याच मध्यंतरी आमचा माणूस जो आहे तो गावाला गेला होता, त्यामुळे त्याच्यामध्येच आम्ही बघून ते यूज केलं का किती पर्सेंटेज आहे, कधी चढवायला हवं पाणी. घरी बसूनही तुम्ही याचा यूज करू शकता. नोटिफिकेशनही येतं किती पर्सेंटेज पाणी आहे, तुम्हाला कधी चढवायचं आहे कधी नहीं. त्यामुळे आम्ही ह्या ॲपमुळे खूप खुश आहोत.
कपिल ट्रैंक्विल से काम करता हूँ, पानी का सब पूरा देखभाल करता हूँ और वाटर ऐप से मेरे को बहुत आसान लग रहा है. मैं बाहर से भी काम करता है और वो काम करके भी ये काम भी कर सकता है वाटर का, पानी का ले. और उधर से मेरे को किधर बाहर गए तो भी मेरे को पता चलता है और कितना पानी है, किधर किधर कितना पानी है, नीचे कितना है, ऊपर कितना है, सब मेरे को पता चलता है. वो वाटर ऐप से मेरे को बहुत आसान लग रहा है.
Today, water has become an extremely precious resource. It is everyone's responsibility to use it wisely, and Water App is your perfect partner for this. To contact us, please fill this form on the Water App website or WhatsApp us on this number 968 915 8106. Our team will get in touch with you for a survey of your site and guide you further. Visit www.waterapp.in for more.